Welcome to Destiny Destinations. This episode is about birdwatching in Lambert'S Bay, South Africa. The town of Lambert'S Bay sits approximately 280 kilometers north of Cape Town.
So this is the beach of Lambert'S Bay, west coast of South Africa. Behind me, this is the Atlantic Ocean.
Lambert'S Bay is one of the key tourist attractions of the South African west coast. Its shoreline and its all-year moderate climate are only two reasons for this. Although well known for its white beaches, wildlife and lobsters, Lambert'S Bay cannot deny its fish industry origins. Walking the breakwater that connects Bird Island with the mainland, you get a first glance of Lambert'S Bay's #1 tourist attraction. Bird Island is populated by hundreds of Cape gannets and cormorants. Bird Island is one of only 6 locations worldwide where the Cape gannets actually breed, and it's the only location easily accessible for visitors. Cape gannets can grow up to 94 centimeters and reach a wingspan of 1 meter 85 centimeters and a weight of up to 3.29 kilograms. The size and the sheer number of birds make a visit to Bird Island, Lambert'S Bay a great experience. Thank you for watching this episode. Stay tuned or subscribe to my channel for the next one. Bye bye.